We are in the middle of the Ontario wilderness, pulling up onto Straggle Lake to install some beautiful garage doors on a custom-built log garage. We are gonna have a wonderful day installing these doors on the Ontario wilderness.
Are we here?
Yeah. This looks gorgeous.
We're just finishing up today in Algonquin Park. We're near Harcourt. We did a custom door installation. We special ordered black interior steel doors. We powder coated all the hardware, including the hinges and the tracks. We used a LiftMaster side mount operator. This way it's nice and sleek. We did 3 doors like this. The customer built a custom wood cabin garage. This is all interlocked wood. My friend Mason at M.R.T. Construction built this beautiful log cabin garage. It's all interlocked cedar, and he reached out to us to ask to get some custom overhead doors with everything made black. On our garage doors, we also upgraded the springs to a high cycle, so hopefully we don't have to come back here for any repairs in any time coming. It took us close to 6 hours to complete the project. It was me, Oleg, and Ivan working today. Ivan is just finishing up the exterior weather seal, so there's no airflow into the garage. Call Garage Door Geeks. We can help you find the right product for your building. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.